Hello, it's Martin Hargrave. Hope you're doing well. I am in between Peebles, Waterhead over there, and Gorebridge the other way. This is one of my favourite places. It's where I fish, just about 5 miles that way. Hopefully my gesture control is working, and it's going right and left and come back to me. And I can stop that, and I can make it go up, and I can make it go down with this controller by hand. It's quite incredible. So anyway, that's me. I just wanted to say hello. This is my favourite places. There's some Herdwick sheep over this way, which hopefully we can see. If this device just follows me, it has what they call avoidance, object avoidance, and it will continue to follow me. And if I come over here, it should come here and look at these Herdwick. If I can drive it this way. Slightly higher up, and you can see the Herdwick sheep in the background. Anyway, that's my first video in the wilderness. I can raise it, I can lighten it, I can make it go left, I can make it go right, I can make it come closer, and I can make it land.
Returning to Palm. Landing.